Easy Speak English. English test. Past perfect. Welcome to this grammar test. Today you have 20 questions to answer. You have 12 seconds for each questions. Try to answer before the time expire. She had already left when I arrived. They had completed the project by the deadline. He had never visited Paris before last summer. By the time they arrived, I had cleaned the house. Before the meeting, she had prepared the presentation. We had watched the movie before it became popular. After the concert, they had gone for a late-night snack. By the time I woke up, the sun had risen. She had read the book before watching the film adaptation. Before the party, he had bought decorations. They had eaten dinner before going to the cinema. I had never tasted sushi until last year. By the time they called, I had already left. He had completed the marathon before noon. Before the exam, she had studied for weeks. They had known each other since childhood. Before the storm, we had secured the windows. She had baked cookies before the guests arrived. By the time they reached the beach, the tide had come in. Before I checked my email, I had sent the important message.